All right, we got another door here. We got the same problem. Got some soft spots on the floor. I've already removed the trim strip here. But here you can, it's weak. There's still some wood there, but it's no good. It's pretty good here. About even with the edge of the door. No problem there. It's just inside the door. And it goes back a little bit beyond the doorway into the bedroom, but mostly around the door. And I noticed this piece of, I guess we can call it door casing, it's curled, which would indicate to me this is where there's a lot of water coming in. Also, I don't know if it's coincidence or not, but near both of these areas of water intrusion and damage, there's a thing for the awning nearby. So maybe it's not the window. Maybe it has something to do with this. Like maybe up there's some roof penetrations that aren't sealed right. The other one is where the water damage was left of the door. That's where it was pretty heavy. I thought it was the window, but you never know. Something to check out. So the next step is I'm going to cut along this angled part, along this outside wall, as far as I can. Probably have to go way back to the front corner there in order to peel it up.